Hello and welcome to ContractHero. My name is Lina, and as a customer success manager, I accompany our customers through optimal contract management with ContractHero. As a basis, or at the very beginning, of course, you have to upload all contracts to ContractHero. Input: enter the contract data. Today, I will demonstrate how the entire process works. As usual, we begin in the dashboard, and on the left-hand side, you will locate your menu, and here we also have this blue button for adding contracts. Our goal is to always ensure simplicity. You have 3 options available. Let's begin with the top choice, which involves adding contracts as a selection in PDF format, keeping it straightforward and user-friendly. You have the option to drag and drop a PDF file into this area, or you can click on it and then select an example contract. In this particular case, before uploading, you also have the ability to choose the specific category to which this contract should be uploaded. By doing this, you are able to save yourself one step for later. As a result, this has now become an AVV, abbreviated version. I just click on Upload and receive the information that it was successfully uploaded. Locate this contract here under Newly Added Contracts. Naturally, I can make adjustments now and provide more information to fill in the details. Or I express it continues directly, because I not only possess PDF contracts, but I might have also utilized an Excel spreadsheet prior to utilizing ContractHero for my contract management needs. There I had my most important contract data. There I may have also tracked deadlines. Of course, I also want to transfer these deadlines, or rather the important data that is associated with these deadlines. And that's simple through Excel upload. I would like to reiterate this second point through the use of the Add Contracts button, and then I can easily upload a table here, similar to how I just uploaded the PDF. I can select an Excel table and perform the upload here, where I also have the option to directly assign the columns to the fields of ContractHero. Then there is a third way in which I can upload contracts, namely via email. Each account at ContractHero has an individual email address. For instance, if my colleagues or clients send me a signed contract that I simply want to file away, or that I might need to have on hand in the future, instead of downloading this contract from my email account, opening ContractHero and uploading it, you could just forward this email to this email address. This way, you can save time and effort by avoiding the need to go through the process of downloading and uploading the contract manually. We take pleasure in calling it a magical email address because it alleviates the burden of work from us. Once again, you have the convenience of copying the email address by simply using these small icons. Perhaps also a small tip: if you still possess paper contracts that you wish to file with ContractHero or upload for additional processing, you can easily save this email address in the scanner device. Then we essentially have covered all 3 of the most crucial areas or methods by which I can upload contracts that have been discussed. That means you should be able to begin easily now. However, I will demonstrate another small method. It may also occur that initially you want to create a contract without a PDF or any additional information because you are aware that a contract will be forthcoming shortly. Then you go over Contracts. Here, in the upper right corner, you can also see this blue button New Contract again, and then here without PDF. So you have the ability to create a brand new contract, for example a contract for the future, and you have the option to at least document the first set of information that you already possess or do not possess, and you simply state, I will save it for the time being, because Mr. Murner, I was informed that a contract will be arriving shortly and I don't want to forget about it. I will create it for now and can attach a PDF later on, but I am already capable of creating a contract and at the very least capturing the basic information. Furthermore, I have the ability to view this contract in my contracts section here. I can also see this contract in my contracts section on this platform. All items uploaded naturally in the correct order. And now I am able to continue maintaining contract data, utilize all the other features of ContractHero. However, it is important to note that it all begins with the respective contract information and gradually importing them. Perhaps I can even have fun with ContractHero. If you have any questions, feel free to ask via chat or through our contact button at the bottom left. Take by the hand, cool, contact us. We are happy to help further on individual paths or answer questions. Otherwise, I wish you a lot of fun with ContractHero.